Assalamualaikum earlier 3. Today in English unit we have done the revision of root letters. We have discussed about sky letters, grass letters, alright. So today we are going to do the discussion about root letters. What are root letters? The letters having a stem which goes down to the pink line at the bottom. What does it mean? Earlier 3, as I have shown you these lines, that sky line, grass line and root line, right? So what was the sky letter? The letter which can touch the sky line, which can come in the first 3 lines. So these are the sky letters, and the letters which can come in middle 2 lines, these are grass letters, alright. And what are root letters? Root letters are those who can come in last 3 lines, who can touch the root line, alright. The last line is a root line. So the letters which can touch the root line, which can come in the last 3 lines, these are root letters. So what are root letters? Let's see. The first root letter is letter G. Let's see. Look. Letter G will come in last 3 lines, so this is the root letter. Next letter is letter J. It will also come in last 3 lines. It will touch the root line as well, right? So letter J is also the root letter. The next root letter is letter P. Look. Now the next letter is letter Q. Letter Q will also come in last 3 lines and it will touch the root line. Look, letter Q is also the root letters. Now the next letter is letter Y. So earlier 3, these are the root letters. Letter G, J, P, Q and Y. How many root letters are here? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 root letters are here. So now let's move on. Let's do an activity for root letters. Are you all ready? So now let's start. The first step is take a piece of paper, then color the half part using brown color, then make roots in it. You have to do the brown color only in a half part, alright. Step number 2 is cut the upper part of the root. Don't cut the stencil of the root. You just have to cut the upper part, alright. Step number 3 is make 4 lines down below by using ruler. Here you have to make 4 lines, but not on the root. You just have to make the 4 lines on a brown part, like on a brown paper, alright. Step number 4 is, now you have to write the letters in it which goes down having a stem. This is what I have told you. What are the root letters? Which can come in last 3 lines, which can touch the root line, alright. So here you have to write the root letters. What are the root letters? Letter G, P, Q, J and Y. Jazakallah everyone. Allah Hafiz.